scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Gamma is seeing nominal interest rates climb, and we need to find the cause fast. Let's break down these economic shifts right now. First, look at how an increase in aggregate demand shifts the entire economic landscape. When people spend more, the demand for money to facilitate those new transactions naturally starts rising. Next, realize that this higher demand for money pushes the price of borrowing upward. Since interest rates represent that cost, they must increase to balance the money market effectively today. Option D matches this logical chain. Increased spending leads to higher rates, making D the winner. You nailed this. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush. Trust data and check steps for option D.